Hello YouTube friends, I'm going to read Birds in a Nest. And as you can hear in the background, sounds of birds tweeting. Let's begin. Building nests. Birds build nests in trees and on buildings. They also build nests in cliffs and on the ground. Birds use nests to hold eggs and chicks. That's in a tree. The bird build a nest in the tree because that's where they mostly build their nest, because it's more sticks near the trees, so they could build their nest easier, and a bunch of dirt. Birds build nests with grass and twigs. Birds sometimes use mud to hold the grass and twigs together. Birds make holes for nests in trees, cliffs, or on the ground. They dig with their bills or their feet. Birds may line their nest with grass. And that's a woodpecker. Some birds build nests in one day. Other birds take 2 weeks. Eagles may take 2 months to build their nest. That's a long time. Maybe I guess because eagles are so big. That's probably why it takes a long time. They probably lay the most eggs. Birds lay eggs in their nest. Some birds lay just 1 egg in the nest. Other birds lay up to 16 eggs. That's a lot of eggs. Birds sit on their nest to keep the eggs warm. Chicks hatch from the eggs. Some chicks stay in this nest. Keeping nests safe. Birds hide their nest. Birds hide their nest. Hungry animals cannot find the eggs or chicks. Trees and cliffs help protect nests from rain. The nest stayed dry. That must be the birds chirping. The little baby birds. A good home. Different kinds of birds build different kinds of nests. Nests help keep eggs and chicks safe and warm. That kind of looks like a beehive, doesn't it? The end. So So here is the glossary, and my two doll friends, Rapunzel and Barbara, are going to read the glossary. Rapunzel is going to read one half of the glossary, and Barbara is going to read the other half. So first, Barbara. Bill. The hard pointed part of the bird's mouth. Birds use their bills to feed their young, carry twigs, and build nests. Chick, a young bird. Cliff, a high, steep wall of rock or earth. Egg, a rounded object with a covering or shell in which young animals develop. Female birds lay eggs. Now, Rapunzel is going to read the other half. Protect, to keep safe from harm. Twig, a small stick. And the end. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.